Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Poppers Logo Slider widget to your Squarespace website. A logo slider widget is a great way to showcase partner logos, client logos, or brand logos in a clean and professional way on your website. So let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets from the left sidebar, and then click Create New Widget. Now search for Logo Slider in the widget library and open it. Once the widget editor opens, you'll see the preview on the right side and the widget settings on the left side. In the Content tab, you have Logo section. Here, you can add logos. In the Text and Action section, you'll find options for the header and call to action, and you can enable or disable them as needed. You can also edit the header text, call to action labels, and the CTA URL. Next, go to the Templates tab. In the Display Mode section, you can choose how the preview should appear. In the Configuration section, you can enable or disable arrows, auto-slide, manage pagination, and edit the control colors. In the Sizing section, you can adjust the size, spacing, and maximum width. Then go to the Style tab. In the General Appearance section, you can customize the content background, logo style, and padding. In the Typography and Elements sections, you can adjust the header alignment, title color, title size, and also apply bold or italic styling. You can also customize the caption colors, caption size, button styles, background color, text color, radius, font size, and size presets. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After that, copy the code and go to your Squarespace site editor. Inside the editor, add a code block, then paste the installation code into it. After that, save your changes. Once your website is live, refresh the page, and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.